Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7, and here's a quick unboxing of the Leatherman Skeletool KB, I believe, in black. So anyway, this is the box that I've gotten. This is in India, so I think there's some details here. Imported by name of product, and yeah, manufactured in Portland, and customer care details. Anyway, let's quickly open. I think there's a QR code with an Instagram. I believe there's an Instagram QR code. And let me quickly open that, because that is how you open. You need to pull this out from both sides, and I'll have to probably remove this QR code. The box has already been opened by the the supplier, because he offered free laser engraving, and yeah, I opted for that. For now, I'll be using the keys, the Indian way of opening things. That should do, and that's it. There's nothing more here. It's pretty much empty. It's a nice box for a small knife, actually. It's some information on how to use your Leatherman. I'm not sure if you can see. 1 second. Yeah, I think that's as good as I can show you. You can register your Leatherman, and there's some information. Yeah, there's also information about the multi-tool, as you can see here. But there's also, yeah, this is actually for the multi-tool, not for the knife. Anyway, basic information, Leatherman. Let's keep this aside, and here we go. It's a small little knife. Smooth opening, fits perfectly. There you go, the laser engraving. That's my actual name, but yeah. Anyway, apart from this, there's nothing else. So I think that's about it, guys. Cool little knife. It has a locking mechanism here. There you go. Fits in very nicely here. I don't think I can use a keychain on this, but yeah, nice clip here. It has a bottle opener. I don't think I can use it single-handedly. I could. Oh wow, it's sharp. I can feel it. So there you go, guys. The Leatherman Skeletool KB. Anyway, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I haven't uploaded any videos in a long time. I've been caught up with work and everything. Hopefully, going forward, I'll be uploading. At least I will try to be uploading videos. So yeah, if you do like the content, please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.